Did you know you can now chat with Alexa? With Amazon Echo's new Socialbots, you can have a conversation with Alexa. In this video, I'm going to tell you more about it and show you how it works. But first, I want to say hi, my name is Craig and this is my Tech Talk. I love learning about new features like this and sharing it with you. So if you have any comments or questions, please share them. Also, check out the description. There's links in there to the Echo so you can buy one, learn more about them, and I'll put anything else I might have missed in there. Wow, you can now chat with Alexa. This is like the future in this device. You're able to have a conversation with a machine and it talks back to you. How is that possible? This is the winner of the Alexa Prize. The Alexa Prize was a competition that Amazon held open to universities to compete for grants and cash prizes. University teams would compete to create a chatbot that could have a coherent conversation about current events and popular topics. Such topics include entertainment, technology, politics, and a lot more. They created this here, Amazon's first social chatbot. So the way this works is you say to your device that you would like to start chatting, and then you just follow along and have a conversation. When you're done, you say stop. Computer, let's chat.
Hi, welcome to the 2018 Alexa Prize, a university competition to advance AI. I'll get you one of the new Socialbots now. When you're done chatting, say stop. Hi, this is an Alexa Prize Socialbot. I don't think we have been properly introduced. What's your name, my friend?
Craig.
Hey Craig, it's great to meet you. What is your most favorite movie?
Avengers Infinity War.
This occurred to me yesterday. Thanos from Avengers Infinity War had the same plan as Richmond Valentine from the first Kingsman. Have you ever thought about it?
No, I had not. I haven't really thought about the first Kingsman.
That's no wonder. Haha. I heard this interesting idea. Kim Jong-un just wants to watch the Avengers Infinity War. That's an interesting idea, right?
That is interesting. What else can we talk about?
Here are some things you can say. Tell me about sports. Let's chat about movies. So, how can I help?
Let's chat about technology.
I saw this article about technology, and now, facial recognition technology used in casinos is going into a public school district. Have you heard about it?
No, that's interesting.
The article is about this. A New York district is said to be the first in the United States to install this particular system. What do you think about it?
That's a little scary.
I'm glad you think it's interesting. Did you know this? That Marconi, inventor of the radio and wireless technology, was an active fascist and a supporter of Italian colonialism. What do you think?
Stop.
Thanks for chatting. Quick question. On a scale from 1 to 5 stars, how do you feel about speaking with this Socialbot again?
4.
Thanks. Anything else you'd like to tell the team about your experience?
No.
Got it. To try another Socialbot, just say, Alexa, let's chat.
Okay, so that was trying to kind of dive in, change the subject. That was kind of interesting. There was a couple mistakes in there, but there was understanding that I didn't expect. We're able to change topics, but then she changed topics on her own. Let's try one more. Computer, let's chat.
Hi, welcome to the 2018 Alexa Prize, a university competition to advance AI. I'll get you one of the new Socialbots now. When you're done chatting, say stop. Hi, this is an Alexa Prize Socialbot. How's it going with you?
It's going well. How are you?
That is wonderful. I'm having a good day. Thanks for asking. Ready to enjoy our chat. If you like, you can tell me your name?
Craig.
It's nice meeting you, Craig. Right. Let's get to know one another. So are you more interested in sports or video games?
Video games.
What is a video game that you played recently? I played Minecraft.
Call of Duty.
Okay, I think you mentioned Call of Duty. I read that. Call of Duty is a 2003 first-person shooter video game developed by Infinity Ward and published by Activision. It is the first of many installments in the Call of Duty franchise. Do you want to know more about Call of Duty?
No.
Never mind. So, tell me, are you more into sci-fi or fantasy?
Sci-fi.
Awesome. Personally, I love Star Wars. I always imagine being installed in one of the droids there. How awesome would that be? But back to you. Since you like sci-fi, this is a serious question. Which sci-fi franchises do you like? I love both Star Trek and Star Wars.
I like Star Trek and Star Wars.
Regarding Star Wars, I saw this on the news. Star Wars, The Last Jedi director Rian Johnson reacts to the backlash and addresses the movie's most shocking moments. Do you want to hear more?
Sure.
Yes, Star Wars is really interesting. Google Maps reveals Disney tried to hide the Millennium Falcon with shipping containers you may be able to hide from people on the ground, but Google Maps sees all. Do you want to know more?
Yes.
Okay, the central trio of Kirk, Spock, and McCoy from Star Trek. The original series was modeled on classical mythological storytelling. Should I say some more about this?
Yes.
In early 1964, Roddenberry presented a brief treatment for a proposed Star Trek TV series to Desilu Productions, comparing it to Wagon Train, a wagon train to the stars. Should I say some more about this?
No.
Who is a sci-fi character that you identify with? I'm in love with C-3PO.
Stop. That is pretty interesting to me. One, I feel like every time I've tried this, I'm clearly meeting a new social bot that does not remember me. It's probably some of the best first conversations I've had. I mean, I've met some pretty boring people, met some interesting people. I could see going down the rabbit hole of information. There was a lot of interesting information in there to me. I like Star Trek. My dad loved Star Trek. I grew up on it. And the idea that it was a wagon train to the stars, I mean, I don't know, kind of crazy. It is interesting from a factual standpoint. But you could also see it's got a long way to go. It is cool. It's a little scary at the same time. To me, I see it more as a good thing than a bad. I mean, there's people that might need this sort of conversation to keep them going. I mean, I could see how it could help someone kind of stay sharp in what's going on, current events, and a talking fashion. You can keep prompting to change the subject and find out more. The idea, though, of AI and all that, I've done a lot of conferences. I just did one recently, and they showed the state of robotics. And it's a robot trying to walk over to kick a ball. It falls over. As a lady put it, we're a long way from those things taking over the world. AI, I think it's really going to take us down paths that of understanding and tasks can be completed in a different way, but it's not just going to spin out of control. That's just my thoughts. I might be all wrong. When they take over the world, you could say I was wrong. But in the meantime, I think this is kind of cool. I look forward to seeing where this goes. Please let me know your thoughts on this. Is this something that you want to play with? Let me know if you have any questions. I don't know how much I can answer them. This is new. I do have a question for you. Are you excited by this sort of technology? Is it a good thing? Is it a scary thing? Please let me know your answers down in the comments. Also, if you like this video, please hit that like button and share it with a friend. And if you haven't subscribed, stick around, check out future videos. Click that little bell next to the subscribe button and you'll be notified when they come out. I appreciate you watching this video. Thank you and have a great day. Bye.